What's it? He did not. Did someone wreck him off the bike? I literally don't see him. He got wrecked off the bike. Alright. You should get that shit out of my face. You should get this shit out of my face.
For real? You said that?
Yeah. Well, guess what, bitch?
You said get that shit out my face?
Hell yeah. What the?
Hold
this. Record me.
Hey! Kyrie! I found me an awesome spot where you could ramp up. You know how you drive in the road? I was doing that. You see the white car all the way down there? When you come back from 7-Eleven, go on the street and go right straight to that to the white car, the back of it. Keep going, you'll find this little pathway up, and it makes you jump.
Is this recording?
Yes, and it makes you jump. So it's right behind the white.
Record me.
Yeah. Then I'll just walk up and then walk back. Sorry, I'm not really doing too well with the camera because I'm trying to eat chips at the same time and walking. My gosh, it's so close to that dude. He is so far away. And Kai is all... You can see Kai, but it's hard right in front of that car. Uh-oh, his grandma's out. Hey. Right over there. Riding the bike right over there. I'm waiting for him.
Was a car here a minute ago?
Yeah, 2.
Who was it?
I don't know.
Who was it, men or women?
Men. I don't know. Why?
Did y'all talk to him?
No.
Well, tell Kyrie come here. I told him don't go out this yard. Where you at?
It's probably in the parking lot over here. Let me check. Probably in the parking lot right here. Let me check. Okay. Hi. Come here. Come here. Your grandma's outside. Your grandma's outside. Tell her you're in the parking lot over here. Your grandma's outside.
So YouTube, hope you enjoyed that video. I don't know why I zoomed in because I just wanted to. I hope you guys can see my face. And get behind the camera and see if they can see my aim at my face. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe for more vlogs and yeah. So I see you in the next video.